I don't want to be a VIP. I want to be in lip, a less important person. I am not left or right. I believe in nationalism, patriotism, the federal structure, democracy, and the poor. Jyoti Basu is the biggest fraud, cheat, and con man in West Bengal. Our policy is very clear: whatever policy will suit the people, whatever policy will suit the circumstances, whatever policy will suit my state. Change is a continuous process. You cannot assess it with the static yardstick of a limited time frame. When a seed is sown into the ground, you cannot immediately see the plant. You have to be patient. With time, it grows into a large tree. And then the flowers bloom, and only then can the fruits be plucked. One political party must behave goodly with another political party, whatever is possible within the political jurisdiction. I am not God. Nor am I phantom. I am ready to accept any criticism. I have been in politics for decades. Each and every day, in several media, there is criticism of me. In my government, I do Twitter on my own. I have no sponsorship, nothing. We are not Marxist or capitalist, we are for the poor people. Mamata Banerjee is just a casual worker, just like a commoner. I don't have any personal agenda, or vendetta against any individual, even Narendra Modi. We are from the very middle class family. We have not come from the English medium school. We came from our regional languages school. I don't think the elite class is only speaking the good English. Few states, they have the international borders, state borders. In India, there is so much diversity in system. Unity in diversity is our system, so therefore, you cannot take for granted whatever you do. Our party, I can tell you, is very transparent. We believe in our credentials. Our credentials are our only credibility. We are not going to compromise on that. We are the commoners. I have seen in my life, I have struggled so much. I did not get support from anyone. I never supported violence. Before the formation of TMC, I was a member of the Congress Party. Gandhi's Congress. Non-violence is a philosophy that runs deep. Unlike the Marxists, I have no mind block against the US. In Bengal, at the state level, the Congress and left are working with the BJP. At the national level, for the greater good, we feel we must work together in Parliament. If democracy is finished, all is lost. Law and order are the responsibility of the state governments. I have flatly refused to be conned by Jyoti Basu and his corrupt government. I have repeated ad nauseam my party's issues, which range from improving the lot of the poor to women's issues. Sometimes, when democracy has to fight with autocracy, what can be done? We have to fight, somebody has to. It is my birthright, it is my political right, it is my democratic right, it is my constitutional right. That I must open my mouth. My voice. I can raise my voice. Ours is a vast country, many languages, many castes, creeds, religions. Media is totally Modi, Modi media. I was not with BJP's communalism agenda. I think that communalism is the cancer of our society, and if we have to protect the humanity and the unity and integrity of this country, then we will have to fight the communal forces. I have respect for everybody. Struggle has been a part and parcel of my life. After my father died, we faced hardship, but never asked anybody for help. We were self-sufficient. Student life taught me a lesson: never bow down your head. Be straightforward and bold in whatever you do. I have no problem working with anybody as long as they are efficient and their intentions, their philosophy, their ideology are clear. We are open to everyone who wants to contribute in our mission to make West Bengal a glorious state. In BJP and RSS, there are good people I respect, but some are playing dirty games. Religion cannot be the agenda of any government.